What is going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a fake location to your friends on Facebook Messenger. If, for whatever reason, you need to send a fake location to anyone on Facebook Messenger, this video is going to help you with that. And you can do it on both iOS and Android. So first, let me just show you how to send a fake location on iOS in Facebook Messenger. Now that we have changed the GPS location of our iPhone, we can disconnect the iPhone from the computer and then send the fake location to our friends. By the way, any tool works not only for Facebook Messenger, but also all GPS-based apps like Pokemon Go, Ingress, Tinder, and a lot more. One thing you need to keep in mind is that if you want to set the location to normal, you're gonna have to restart your iPhone. Now let's see how to send a fake location on an Android phone. Any tool is easy to use, but unfortunately it only works on iOS. However, if you're using an Android phone, you can still change your location with a GPS marking app. Now let me show you how to do that. Okay, now after marking the GPS location, we can send the fake location to our friends now. Finally, don't forget to switch the GPS marking app to nothing after you've done sending the location. Okay, those are our solutions to sending fake locations in Messenger. Try them out and let me know how they work out for you. I'll see you next time.